Eric, leave alone all these other issues that they are talking. But what hurts me as a citizen is when issues pertaining to health, basically the issue of corruption, poor service delivery, negligence, when all these panelists we are talking, they did throw one thing back to the citizens, to us as the community. That was the issue of being accountable to these people. And all of them, they did talk about it, but I've not seen any one of them taking an account, maybe getting one doctor and taking him to the police, and now they want to throw this one back to the community. And yet, for the chairman, he expects the grudges to come and form a pressure group, and yet he himself has not acted where there was millions of shillings that was not utilized in the local council, and for him, he simply endorses it, take it back to the central government, and yet he's blaming us back here.
A lady right in front here.
Thank you. I'm Anisha. I stay in Awindriwa, Darwa Hill Division, Darwa Municipality. Our patients, especially the residents of Arua, are facing very hard problems in the hospital. Take an example. A patient is sick and needs the help of the doctors. So such a patient is harassed by the nurses, and yet it's against the ethics of the doctors. So what have the current government and other oppositions did to help us?
That nurses sometimes have harassed. That's what one of the residents of Arua is saying, harassing the patients. How would you handle that, Mr. Lamariga?
Before I go into that, I just wanted to add on to what has been said previously. You know, the chairman is blaming Parliament when NRM has more than 3/4 of MPs in Parliament. You see? So it is NRM's duty to be at the forefront first in passing a bill, then the opposition follows. So NRM government must take blame for all these ills that are happening in this country.
Don't you want also to work and get out of the opposition and be... Why don't you work yourself out of the opposition?
We are talking of the current situation. So current NRM has majority in the Parliament. Okay. Yes. So they can throw any bill out, they can accept any bill, and it works. So concerning her issue of harassment, you know, I wish more legal personnel comes out in this country, because in advanced countries, in case your rights are violated at a health center, you can sue the health authorities. So when they delay to attend to you, there must be a certain authority somewhere where you can take your case. And in any case, when it becomes extreme, we have ever demonstrated on the streets of Arua, over Wenreko. We can also demonstrate over the issue of health so that the whole country listens or hears or sees what we are going through.